at sleeping area where you have the shades. Yet they have not gone to heat. We have like 10 male goats. The others are female goats. By now, we are expecting new goats, or the young ones of these ones. Anytime, anywhere. So don't take them far away from the shed, because we have so many pregnant like this. Pregnant remaining around 3 days according to the register that you should take to get birth. So after 3 days, we'll be here again, wanting to see is it a male or a female goat which have been born. Expect to get another one from this remaining a week, as the register say, since it was pregnant. In our area, it is so dry, so we usually survive in these areas. So dry, no leaves, just grasses. It is in Kenya. You get this such climate. We have the water points where there is a lot of water, because when they are grazing, anytime they can come and drink some water. So clean water. Don't apply any chemical. You're just applying some medical like salt to make them healthy. Yeah, this is the area now. Just all trees which have the leaves. And we're seeing our goats. We're seeing our goats very healthy. They don't have any problem. Just the coldness of morning, which occur in every area. We have enough security. Everything is there. So in this video, I need to show you how we can manage in dry areas. If you have a large piece of land, don't see that you cannot do any farm. You can start raising some goats, because goats do not need a lot of food. They just need a little food, then they are strong. Look at them, very strong, very healthy. Just they need a lot of water because of the dryness. How they walk, they usually lose a lot of water. By now, we have new goats like these two. We went to the market and bought this. We had the market yesterday, bought 7 of them. 7. This is the one. That is 2. The 2 which are there Those are 3. Those are 4. 3. You have to also buy this. No. These are the pins so that you not buy it is a new gout because number 81. It seems that last week even we went for the shopping of the goats and got several. But now we are going good, and the area is too dry, as you can see. Too dry. We are accompanied by some people who come to learn here and take the responsibility to get some goats anywhere. Shall go at market called Kavisoon to shop the goats, as you can see.